little artists! Are you ready to create something magical today? We're going to draw and color some fluffy clouds and a beautiful rainbow. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a cloud shape on one side of our paper. Make it nice and fluffy.
Wow!
Now, let's draw another cloud shape on the other side. These clouds are going to be connected by our rainbow.
Cool!
Next, let's draw the rainbow connecting the two clouds. Start by drawing 7 curved lines from one cloud to the other.
Awesome!
Great job! Now, let's give our clouds some personality by drawing eyes and a smiling mouth on each cloud.
Wow! Cool!
For a little extra fun, let's draw a small heart shape between the two clouds. How cute! And finally, let's draw tiny hands on each cloud so they look like they're holding hands.
Awesome!
Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our adorable clouds and rainbow. They look fantastic. Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. So colorful. Isn't it? Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. color. Fantastic job, little artists! Your clouds and rainbow look so colorful and cheerful. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.